Hey everybody, welcome to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to literally like create an earring almost out of anything. So these are like some little pendants that I got. Let me try to get my camera to focus. There we go. So these are just like some little pendants that I have. And you guys, anytime you use pendants, like, of course they could be charms on like bracelets, but even just using them, you guys, you can make these be some earrings. Like, what? Yeah. So, yeah, y'all, like, come on. All right. So I got the little charms. I got, of course, the little earring hooks, silver, gold, jump rings. I got big ones, I don't know, but I also got the small ones, earring backs, and then of course your custom earring cards. And last but not least, you're gonna need some pliers. Y'all, I set my pliers out, I don't know where they are, but you're going to need like some pliers. So let's go ahead and get to making some earrings.